24th of January, day 10, witnessing a beautiful sunrise from the temple premises.
धन्य दिवस झाली संतांचे दर्शन धन्य पूर्वपुण्य कैसा झाला सब धन्य पूर्वपुण्य कैसा झाला संसार देवान धन्य पूर्वपुण्य उडवलेले दिवस झाले संतांचे दर्शन धन्य पूर्वपुण्य उडवले झाले संतांचे तुका म्हणे जोडीला जोडीला संतांचे जीवन.
Now we are descending to the village of Valvand, and here again we have some orange ribbons tied all along the route. Should take us down nice and easy. We have a beautiful staircase to negotiate the steeper slopes, and then we'll get into the forest and then get down to Valvand. Oh, there are more stairs. The route to this trail is well marked. You'll see these small signboards that read Jom Mallikarjun Devalaya Janacha Marg. It's a big path to follow. Guys, there's one single trail to follow. You will be on a ridge line most of the time. It's a beautiful path. It will take you directly to Valvand. I've touched down. The road has been 1.5 hours. It was 4 kilometers, 10 a.m. It's one single trail to follow. Thank you so much. Namaskar Kaka. Chalo. So that's where we were, Parvat, and then we got down to Valvand. Walked through the village and then 1 kilometer section on the Kacha road, and now we are climbing up to Chakdev. Chakdev is at 950 meters. We are at 650 as of now, so it's a 300 meter elevation gain. The trail is already mapped and a well-known trail, so should be nice and quick. Time is 10:30 a.m. as of now, 24th of January, day 10. Yeah, so we are climbing up. Now you can see the temple, the white dot. That's where we were. We got down. This is Valvand. Now we're just climbing up, nice and easy. One single trail to follow. is a big path. 300-meter climb. I also found a very small little snake skin. This guy would be pretty young. We have made it to Chakdev. It's a big plateau. This is the first house. We have made it to Chakdev at 11:15 a.m. 2.5 hours from Parvat, 300 meters up, 7.5 kilometers. We're taking a big break until the drone batteries get charged. Charging the phone too. We'll leave at around 1. Chutney. Now the time is 12:50 p.m. We took a big break, and now the plan is to get down to the hamlet of Shindi. There are multiple Shindis. We'll be going to the one which is in Satara, and from there is another fort, Mahipatgad. We would love to do that. Meera chose to stay back, so it's me, Raj and Sachin. 3 individuals will quickly hike down, then climb the fort and come back the same way. Now the trail to Shindi is pretty flat. It just connects to the Chakdev plateau through another trail. Pretty nice and sunny. What a beautiful path. I can finally see the village of Shindi right there. The time is 1:30 p.m. I've hiked for some 10 kilometers since morning. This is the ST bus stop. ST stands for State Transport, and it reads the name of the village is Shindi. पोहा
1 किलो ले लेना, 1 केजी दे दो ना।
छोटा फोन कुठे चित्र
You'll have to walk on the road for a kilometer before you can start climbing Mahipatgad. Quick climb, 2:30 p.m. Kile Mahipatgad. Nice, good to see some landmarks. (2:30 p.m. The sun is very harsh, and we came from there. That's the Chakdev plateau. There's a trail on the ridge line. Yeah, we are on the top, and now what all landscape you see in the background is all Koina Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the last step until where you can actually hike. After this, it's a big wildlife reserve, so not much of a trekking is allowed. You'll have some trails like the Vasota Fort and others, but they're just smaller hikes. I don't usually call them as big traverses. You cannot do unidirectional hikes. So yeah, Mahipatgad is the last point basically. From here we can go north, east and west, but not south for sure. There's a nice big network. That's all. Bhairi Bhavani Mandir. It's a beautiful temple. Yeah, so this is the view that you get from the fort. It's more or less like a watchtower. I don't feel it's a fort. And this is another hamlet, Shindi Wadi. And earlier, when there was no road, people used to take this route and then climb up steep and come on this side. There was no ST for the village of Shindi. So yeah, imagine how beautiful this hike would be. But now the trail is all lost because of the road construction, which is again very crucial for people. So yeah, pretty hazy as of now. We spent almost an hour here. The time is 4 p.m. It has been 6 hours. Yeah, this is touchdown road. The distance from the top of the fort to the roadhead is just 15 minutes. Just 1 kilometer distance. You lose 200 meters. Let's get back to the hamlet of Shindi. The bag is filled with groceries, veggies and poha. A quick climb to Chakdev. So you can see the hamlet of Shindi. It's right there, and then you can also see the fort. This is where we had gone. Yeah, beautiful evening. Pretty sizable village, very peaceful. Yeah. Climbing up, nice and easy. Yeah, we are here, back to the village Chakdev. Time is close to 6 p.m. It's 5:50. Should call it a day now. Some 19 kilometers, climbed up some 900 meters. Time is 6 p.m. Now day 10 comes to an end. Sabzi poha. They have a very, very pretty kitchen. Wow. Food is ready. This is our sleeping arrangement for the night. Good night. Madhu.
उठता कधी तुम्ही
सकाळी
किती वाजता
6 वाजता.